double gear system. So in this arrangement we see, first of all we just open up the upper lid of this machine right here. As you can see from here, right now the machine is in the pulley arrangement. Here we have disengaged this pulley from this. So to engage this pulley with this double gear system, at first we just get the belt over from here to here, and then this goes to this gear here, and then the movement goes to this, and below we have this gear, and now the movement is go to this. So this is the slowest speed possible. So right now we just engage this with the double gear system so that we get the lowest RPMs in this drill press. So first of all we just get out of this pin here, that is, so we just now disengaged from this pulley. As you can see, this moves freely here. We just put it up, now move it up and then put it down. So right now this is engaged. Here you can see. When I rotate this pulley here, all the bearings are moved, and the double gear system is engaged with this pulley system. Here you can see this gear is engaged properly. First the movement comes here and then goes here and then goes here and then goes to the shaft, moving rotary shaft. Here you can see as we move this system, the upper gear moves slowly. Hello everybody, this is Ramit from Ramit Engineering Works. Here's the beautiful piece in my hands that I've turned in this video's first session. This is purely made up of neem wood, and the inner sides, as you can see here in my hands, the inner sides are very much bulkier as compared to these ones. And as you can compare the sizes, here's the bigger one in my workshop. So if you're interested in these type of crafts, you can contact my numbers anytime, as the numbers are displayed on your screen. And these type of crafts are purely handmade by me, and the different designs are available. As you can see, first here we have the premium design here, and here you can see this design is very premium and it looks very much effective in your house. And this is purely made up of neem. You can customize the wood, you can customize the design, and you can also customize the size and colors of this type of mortar and pulse vessels. Here is the another product that we have. This is cherry wood, and also called as rosewood, that we have used, and the mortar is also of neem wood. And here we have the golden nails outside this mortar and pestle. This looks very vintage and very premium, as I see from the outer layer of this thing. The another design, we have this type of things. This is very beautiful coffee and Turkish amber color, and it is very trending now these days. The another product we have is this potato smasher, or the dal smasher also called as, and it's also the honey spreader or the ghee spreader. This is also known as the ghee spreader, and we just put the ghee and pour the ghee and we pour the oil on your bread or any type of thing, or your chapati. You can just roll it down and the oil is purely perfectly spread on your things. And the another thing, we have this type of thing. Here is the potato filler. We have used this type of potato fillers to fill the potatoes. The another things we have is this type of jimmies in my workshop, and the today's assembly line we have just this type of things. The another thing we have is this type of glasses. Here you can see the beautiful wooden glass that is purely made up of jamun wood. And the another one is we have used, and we have different qualities and different designs in my workshop. Here is the glass that is made up of neem. This is purely the neem wood. You can just fill from night and just, here's the other size we have for children's, of little peoples. For this we have this type of, this is purely made up of neem wood. Also this type of potato mashers, this is perfectly made from a single piece of wood. There is no joints, so it's very rarely to see these type of crafts in workshops. Here we have have the beautiful candy fillers also. You can see in my hands. This is the beautiful candy filler. We also have this type of glasses that is made up of neem and jamun. You just can customize all the things, the size, the shape, the outer and inner dia. We just have different type of things so in my workshop. So if you have interested, you can contact my numbers. We have this type of toothpick holders also. This is toothpick holder for your toothpicks on your table. We have this type of hand massagers. This is purely made up of shisham wood. That is the hardest wood in the variety of woods. So if you have interested to buy this type of crafts, you can contact my numbers anytime. I'm very much happy to give you the response, and thank you for having me on your screen. This is Ramit from Ramit Engineering Works. Thank you very much.